Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back, brothers and sisters, to another how-to video. In this video, we will discuss how to make tayammum. You may find yourself in a situation where you have to pray salah, yet there is no water available to make ablution. In such a case, a Muslim is allowed to perform dry ablution or tayammum. Tayammum is dry ablution, which literally means aim or purpose. Islamically, it refers to aiming for or seeking clean soil to wipe one's face and hands with the intention of purification to prepare oneself to pray. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, "But if you are ill, on a journey, or have relieved yourselves or been intimate with your wives and cannot find water, then purify yourselves with clean earth, wiping our faces and hands." Here are the steps to make tayammum. Number 1. Intention. A person must make the intention to perform tayammum in order to purify himself for worship and say Bismillah. Number 2. Strike the soil with both hands once. Number 3. Blow into the palm of the hands to remove any excess dirt. Number 4. Wipe the face with the palms once. Number 5. Wipe the back of both hands, starting by wiping the back of the right hand with the palm of the left hand, and then the back of the left hand with the palm of the right hand. When is tayammum allowed? Number 1. During the scarcity of water or its unavailability, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, "And you find no water, perform a tayammum." It is important to understand that a person is not considered as having a lack of water when he has not searched for it. Number 2, when one is incapable of using water, even when it is available. For example, a sick or elderly person who cannot move and has no one to help him perform wudu. Number 3, when one fears he will be harmed by using water. Some examples are a sick person whose use of water for purification may aggravate his sickness. A person experiencing extreme cold and does not have the means to warm water, coupled with a strong fear that he may fall sick from the use of cold water. This is because the Prophet ﷺ approved the actions of Amr ibn al-As when he led his people in prayer and he had performed tayammum due to the extreme cold. A person who is far away from others or is on a long journey with only a little water with him to drink and has no means to get water. So what are the nullifiers of tayammum? Number 1, the availability of water. Number 2, occurrence of anything that would nullify wudu, like passing wind. Number 3, occurrence of something that necessitates ghusl, like having a wet dream. A few important pieces of information. Tayammum is valid if done using anything that comes from the face of the earth, such as dust, mud, rocks, sand and clay. It is also allowed to perform tayammum using a wall, provided it has dust on it or it is made of something from the face of the earth. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, "Perform tayammum with clean earth." So this is how to make tayammum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe and share with your friends. For more videos like this, check out our full how-to playlist in the description below. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.